Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best AI tools every programmer should know. These tools are not only essential for the development of software, but also for the creation of intelligent systems. From speech recognition and natural language processing to machine learning, these tools help programmers build AI-based applications that perform tasks with unprecedented efficiency and accuracy. But before we dive into the AI tools, let's take a moment to understand the history and evolution of AI. The first AI tools were developed in the 1950s as part of the early computing revolution. These early systems focused on basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication. However, as computing power and capabilities grew, so did AI. These early systems were limited in terms of functionality and complexity, but they laid the foundation for more advanced AI tools to come. The advent of speech recognition software has since revolutionized the field of AI, allowing for the development of intelligent systems capable of recognizing and understanding human speech. Machine learning is the most advanced form of AI, allowing machines to learn and improve themselves based on their experiences. This has led to the development of AI tools capable of predicting and optimizing various aspects of business operations. Natural language processing (NLP) is a subset of AI that enables computers to understand and interpret human language. This has led to the development of AI tools capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from customer service to financial analysis. AI tools have revolutionized the way we communicate with each other, allowing us to communicate more effectively and efficiently. This has led to the development of AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice assistants. But the benefits of AI go beyond communication, and AI tools are being developed to solve problems in various fields, including healthcare, agriculture, and transportation. Machine learning algorithms are able to learn from data and make decisions based on past patterns. This has led to the development of AI tools capable of performing complex tasks, such as predicting weather patterns or identifying dangerous products. In fact, many AI tools are already being used to make decisions that impact our daily lives. AI tools are also being used to create personalized experiences for consumers. This includes recommendations for products, services, and even entertainment. This has led to the development of AI-powered personal assistants, such as Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri, which can provide personalized recommendations and services based on the user's needs and preferences. But while AI tools have the potential to revolutionize various industries, they also have their limitations. The development of AI tools requires immense amounts of data, which can be challenging to collect and analyze. This has led to the development of AI tools capable of learning from limited data and improving their accuracy over time. Finally, the use of AI in software development is a relatively new development. AI tools are still in the early stages, and there is still a lot of work to be done to make them more effective and efficient. This has led to the development of AI-powered development tools, which allow developers to write code in a more efficient and automated way. However, the benefits of AI tools in software development are not limited to efficiency. AI tools can also improve the quality and reliability of software, which can lead to more successful software projects. In conclusion, the use of AI in software development is still relatively new, but it has already had a significant impact on the field. As AI tools continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more significant improvements in software development, leading to even more significant improvements in the world we live in.